What if lowering grocery costs didn't start with cutting things out, but with letting the season lead? January has a quieter rhythm. The garden is resting, the days are short. Winter is here and grocery bills can feel heavier than ever. But winter isn't a season to push through, it's a season to work with. Seasonal living isn't about doing more or following strict rules. It's about cooperating with the garden, with the pantry, and with what the season naturally offers. In winter, the variety is smaller, but the possibilities are deeper. Root vegetables, winter greens, squash, beans, grains, foods that last longer, stretch further, and turn into nourishing meals with very little effort. Even if you planted some of these yourself, the rewards ripple across the year. When we plan meals around what winter naturally offers, we stop fighting the season, and that's often where the savings begin. Not because we're restricting ourselves, but because we're choosing foods that are meant to be here now. One of the simplest shifts you can make is this. Let what's available decide the menu. Instead of choosing a recipe first and then searching for every ingredient, start with what's in season or what's on sale and build your meals from there. Maybe cabbage shows up at a good price and suddenly it becomes cabbage rolls or an unmade version. Maybe winter vegetables become soup or roasted trays that last for days. This way of cooking is quieter, but it's also steadier. And even in January, seasonal living is about planning for next season. What will you grow this summer? Even a single tomato harvested later in the year is one less tomato you need to buy. But trust me, when you plant tomatoes, you'll get in abundance. Even a pot of herbs is weeks of flavor you don't have to replace. But gardening doesn't have to be big to matter. Every little harvest counts. If there's one thing to remember, it's this. Seasonal living lowers grocery costs, not through restriction, but through cooperation. When we stop forcing variety, stop fighting availability, and stop expecting every season to feel the same, we often find that things become simpler, and simpler usually costs less. Winter has its own kind of abundance. It teaches us how to stretch, how to slow down, and how to trust what's already in our pantry. When we let the season be what it is, not a waiting room, not a problem to solve, we begin to see that it has value too. In our kitchens, in our budgets, and in the rhythm of our days.